Over a single terrifying night, nearly 300 explosive drones swarmed the skies across Russia's Belgorod region. The intensity of the barrage focused on the Stary Oskolsky district, forcing the government to declare a medium level of response. These strikes are avoiding random targets and falling directly on the infrastructure that drives the Russian industrial economy. Proximity to the Ukrainian border has changed the district's status, turning a prosperous mining hub into an active military objective. Beneath this conflict zone lies the Kursk Magnetic Anomaly, a geological formation holding 40% of all Russian iron ore reserves. This massive deposit created a monocity, Stary Oskol, a settlement built for the sole purpose of extraction. Surface-level threats haven't slowed production. While air raid sirens sound above, crews below continue to pull 8 million tons of ore from the earth annually. Stary Oskol's geography has bound its survival to its resources. The wealth buried beneath the city makes it an essential asset that the state cannot afford to lose. Stary Oskol and its neighbor, Gubkin, function as a mining cluster, a highly integrated zone where extraction, enrichment, and manufacturing occur in a single loop. This diagram shows the cycle. Raw ore is excavated, sent to enrichment facilities to be concentrated, and delivered to metallurgical plants to be forged into steel. The Oskol Electrometallurgical Plant, or OEMK, is the central pillar of this operation, managing the transition from raw earth to industrial metal. The physical scale is visible in these terraced open-pit mines. Heavy machinery at the bottom is dwarfed by the sheer volume of the excavation. This isn't just a local business, it's an integrated metallurgical lifeline that supports the manufacturing capability of the entire country. This chart breaks down the cluster's impact. In the financial aspect tier, large-scale extraction generates purchasing power and regional security through tax revenue. The social aspect section highlights these enterprises as city formers, where local workers earn 50% more than the regional average. Corporate funding often takes the place of state spending, paying for roads, infrastructure, and social programs to maintain local stability. Stary Oskol avoids the typical decay of industrial towns by serving as an economic fortress, though its stability is entirely tied to the price of steel. The efficiency of this cluster comes at a cost. Removing 8 million tons of earth annually is triggering a severe ecological shift. Scientific reports detail significant landscape degradation and the complete drainage of local water-bearing aquifers due to the depth of the mines. Scientists have labeled the region a techno-overloaded territory, noting a progressive movement toward an environmental crisis as the industrial footprint expands. The monocity's foundation is under threat. The same industry providing its wealth is systematically altering the environment required to sustain the population. Squeezed from both sides, drones strike from above, while the earth fractures below. With 2 centuries of iron reserves remaining, the extraction will continue, regardless of the mounting environmental or security risks. Stary Oskol is a case study of the modern company town, where a region's environment and safety are secondary to keeping a national economy alive.